I also recommend that everyone takes our Optimum Omega. This is our fish oil. These are not the cod liver oil that we used to take 10, 20 years ago. You don't want to take cod liver oil. Liver is responsible for removing the toxins in the body. So there could actually be some toxins inside the cod liver oil. These fish oil here, if you look at the capsule, you take 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. This will also help with the absorption of your Life Pack products or any other product. Another powerful reason why we want to take the Optimum Omega is that it has 2 really useful ingredients, EPA, DHA. Only fish oil has this ingredient other than flaxseed. No fruits or vegetables or other meats has EPA, DHA, omega-3. Why should we take this? First of all, EPA, DHA is responsible for the development of brain cells. So children, especially children, should be taking our fish oil. When I give it to my children, what do? Is I usually bite the end and I spray it in their mouth. They love the flavor. As adults, we don't always like the taste of fish oil. So we just take it with a glass of water and drink it. Okay, but why else should we take it? The reason we want to take fish oil is because it actually cleans your veins and arteries. What happens is if we eat too many meats, it creates too much cholesterol. And what happens is it actually starts creating plaques inside your veins. So if you want to remove these plaques, you don't have to take medicines. Increase your amount of fish oil. I'll show you how this property works. But how do we know if our fish oil, how effective it is? We've got to check out the quality. This is a different company's fish oil. It's actually much more expensive than ours. If you can actually look at the color, you'll see that this color here is much more golden color. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's do an experiment. It's actually a good quality fish oil. An amazing property is this is styrofoam I have here. If you take styrofoam and I put a few drops, put 1, 2, 3 over on this side, and I'll put 1, 2, 3 over this side. And let's give that a few minutes and we'll come back and see that. Another way you can do the experiment, it's a little faster, is you take 2 cups of hot water and you take the styrofoam in the hot water. It's just like the water is just like the blood in our arteries. The styrofoam is actually an oil-based product, very similar to the structure of the plaques that form on our veins. You can research it, it's scientifically true. Okay, so if I take the 2 types of fish oil, I'll put it on here, I can put the whole pill in there. 3 or 4 drops would be enough. Here, I'll just put 3 or 4 drops of Nu Skin products on here. I'll leave the rest of this because I don't want to waste it. Okay, take a look at that. Do you see it? It's dissolving right in front of your eyes. You see it?
Yeah.
Give it a few more minutes. And you see this side over here is actually not dissolving at all. Let's stir this side. We could actually leave that all day and it's not going to dissolve. So even though you're paying more money for this other brand, it doesn't have the effect of Nu Skin's. We always use deep sea fish. We don't want to use any fish that are from farmed fish because a lot of farmed fish have a lot of pollutants and toxins in it. If we look back at these 2 styrofoam here, you can see this one's actually already started dissolving the styrofoam. You can see this one. It's soaked in, but it hasn't started dissolving it. So these will not remove the plaques inside your arteries. You can see after we've removed all the plaques inside the arteries, this will cause our blood to flow better, and we can actually reduce our high blood pressure. Okay, Nu Skin has 2 types of fish oil. This was our original fish oil. The original fish oil here from Pharmanex has 90 milligrams of EPA and 60 milligrams of DHA. And then we have our ultra pure fish oil. See how it's very red like this? This is actually Neptune krill oil. This is actually the smallest type of sea fish. And the properties of the EPA and DHA in this fish oil is just incredible. They have a total of 240 milligrams of EPA and 100 milligrams of DHA. This is the ultimate premium fish oil.